All right, let's go.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Hi everybody, I'm John Kowalski,
And I am Austin Raska,
and we are the new Fraser Welding teachers.
and we would like to take you on a tour of the shop.
So let's go. Hi. After an extensive safety training program, the first things Fraser Welding students will do is oxy-acetylene cutting. Following that, they'll move on to shielded metal arc welding.
After oxy-fuel cutting, students will be learning about shielded metal arc welding, which is the industry standard in pipe welding and structural welding. They will be learning how to use the stinger or electrode holder and various types of rods, which here we have the 7018 and 6010. For shielded metal arc welding, they will be using the stinger or electrode holder and inserting the rod into the electrode holder. And as if there is a piece of steel here, they would be doing in this motion to strike an arc, creating a weld.
Students choosing to move on to the advanced courses here at Fraser Welding will be moving on to gas metal arc welding, also known as MIG welding, one of the most versatile forms of welding you're going to find in the world today. It is used in hundreds of industries, thousands of applications, and it's probably the most popular home welding that you're going to find. After that, students are going to move on to what is known as gas tungsten arc welding. One of the final processes students and Fraser Welding are going to work with is gas tungsten arc welding, also known as TIG welding, which uses an electrode holder, much like stick welding, but we're going to be using filler rod to make our joints and passes and ultimately build projects. One of the highlights of the shop, and pretty much everybody's favorite piece of equipment, is our Swift Cut plastic cutting table. Basically, it's going to allow us and our students to kind of imagine anything they kind of want to cut out in metal. If we can get it into the computer, we can cut it out on this table. A good example right here is going to be the Air Force symbol that we've cut out for an upcoming project. This is just one example of the kind of things that students are going to be able to do here at Fraser Welding.
And just to show that the Fraser Welding shop is not full of hard work, we do like to have a little bit of fun and build smaller artistic projects like these I have right here. These will be getting done by our second semester vocational classes.
So that wraps up our tour of the facilities here at Fraser High School.
Thank you for watching the video, and we hope to see you all soon.